Electoral verdict. The four general elections were held in February 1967 amid the backdrop of huge discontent by people and polarization of political parties. For Congress, this was the first election without Nehru. The elections were a huge setback for the Congress. It was termed as a political earthquake. Congress, though got a majority in the Lok Sabha, it got the lowest tally of votes since 1952. Many of the Congress party's ministers and political stalwarts lost the elections. At the state level, Congress unprecedentedly lost in 7 states. In 2 states, there were defections from Congress. These 9 states were geographically spread across the country. A regional party in Tamil Nadu, Dravida Munnareta Kazhagam, came to power for the first time in any state. It won the elections after leading a massive anti-Hindi agitation. In 8 other states, coalition governments were formed.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.